So in this chapter we're going to display the input from a game controller. Now, game controller input is somewhat different from the input from a keyboard or a mouse. It's some of it's button pushes, some of it's joysticks and whatnot, but we'll get to all that over this chapter. Now, if you look in your game assets directory that came on the disk, you'll see a folder called controller. And if you open up that folder, you'll see all of these images here. So we've got this little watermark of a controller. That's going to be like a background that everything else is going to be against. We've got all these round buttons here. Those are going to be for the different buttons that are on the controller. We've got the shoulder buttons that are up there. We've got the start and the back button. That'll be where they need to be. The left and right buttons are actually the thumbsticks actually have buttons on them, and then the thumbsticks have X and Y deflection, kind of like the mouse, and those will just go over top. And then we also have the triggers, and those are down here, and so that's kind of similar but just in one direction. We'll put those over on the sides. So that's it. We'll make that all happen. We'll get all those buttons working, and we can close that. And now let's open Visual Studio and our Input Controls project. And here it is. And now we're ready to start.